वोकैबुलरी। बहुत लोगों का एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन होता है कि सर वोकैबुलरी कैसे याद की जाए, क्योंकि कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखने से पहले उसकी वोकैबुलरी सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। वैसे ही अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो, अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो और अपनी इंग्लिश को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जाना चाहते हो, तो वोकैबुलरी प्लेज अ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट। हम अपनी वोकैबुलरी कैसे चूज़ करें, कैसे हम वोकैबुलरीज याद रखें। बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए हमें कि सर वोकैबुलरीज हम कैसे याद रखें, क्योंकि इतनी सारी वोकैबुलरीज है कोई भी लैंग्वेज में, तो कैसे यूज़ करें। जब सही समय होता है तभी हम वो वर्ड भूल जाते हैं, तो क्या किया जाए। इसी बात को लेकर के, इसी क्वेश्चन को लेकर के आज का टॉक शो हम करेंगे। हाय, दिस इज जीत पाटिल, welcoming to you this exclusive talk show English to English. I am Possible Training Solution with one and only Mr. Deepak Patil. As you know that आप सभी जानते हो कि दीपक पाटिल he is the international language trainer. 7 भाषाएं जानते हैं, 1 लाख से भी ज़्यादा लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर चुके हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में, और more than 80 कंट्रीज़ में उनके क्लाइंट्स हैं। तो आज इन्हीं से जानेंगे कि वोकैबुलरी को कैसे इम्प्रूव किया जाए, कैसे बिल्डअप किया जाए स्किल को। So sir, please.
All right. Yes, guys, vocabulary is really the main aspect of any language. You see that entire language depends on the vocabulary. The better your vocabulary is, the better you sound, the more fluency you will have. And most of you might be getting stuck while speaking just because of vocabulary. So, how to resolve the problem of vocabulary? What can be the right way to learn vocabulary? Should we learn the vocabulary or what? So I'm going to answer you all these things today. So let me begin with what you should not do with vocabularies. Now, I was always been fascinating by memorizing the vocabulary. My mindset was I wanted to learn an entire dictionary. I was so crazy guy, right? So when I was learning English, okay, at my learning stage, so I had decided that anyhow I'm gonna master all these words. I'm going to memorize all the vocabularies from dictionary, and I did. I try to memorize words. I begin, right? I opened the dictionary, I read the first page, and I was so motivated, so inspired. I read every word, and then I went to the next page and the next page, and likewise I read up to 5 or 6 page, and after that I stopped doing it. But you know what? I realized that when I used to read the first page and when I used to reach to the second page, so I used to forget what was there on the first page. So that what usually happens with everyone. Whenever you will try to learn the vocabulary, what will happen? You're gonna forget it, right? So why exactly it happens? It happens just because your brain does not accept the list of vocabularies. Again, I'm repeating, guys. Let me tell you that when you try to memorize the words, so your brain will not accept it and you will definitely forget it. Now what I'm trying to say is very clear, that whenever you try to learn any vocabulary without any connection, okay, your brain is amazing function, it is wired. Your brain is always made to remember something that is always connected, right, with something. And that's the reason that we forget the vocabulary, because when you learn, as I told you previously, that if you learn the word individually, so learning word individually does not get any connection in your mind, and because of that, at the end results, you forget it. So the idea is very simple, that whenever you are learning vocabulary, make sure that you don't learn individual and don't go for the list of vocabulary. I have seen that many people have a mindset of memorizing the list of vocabulary. They will take out the huge list of difficult words or high level of words, and after that they will try to memorize it. But again, this is the wrong method. Don't do it, okay? That will not help you, because after a few days you are definitely going to forget it. If you will try, again, end result, you are going to forget it. So never do that. Second thing, what you should not do is, don't try to memorize the word. Memorize means what? Learn by heart, what I say. Because the more you just try to memorize it forcefully, of course there are more chances that you won't be able to, though you will be able to understand it, but you won't be able to use it. So that's the biggest drawback behind memorizing forcefully. So don't learn the list of words, don't memorize it, right? That you should not do. Now I know that you have a question, so what should we do exactly for the vocabulary? Number one thing that you must do it, and that is add your all senses to understand the vocabulary. Now what I mean by add all senses?
And also,
You know what, we have 5 senses,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
See, hear,
Hear.
right? Eyes, ear, all right? Taste, feel, touch. So you know what, when you add maximum senses into it, so what happens, that becomes memorable for you and you never forget it. Similarly, in English vocabularies, now mostly what we try to do is we just read the word, we read the definition and we try to understand, that's all.
Yes,
But here we don't add any more senses into it. We don't experience that word, and because of that we can't feel what we want to memorize in the vocabulary. So make sure that understanding, feeling, right, experiencing that word is very much important. Now let me give you one example here. Let's say that is a word like obnoxious. Imagine that is a word, obnoxious.
Okay.
Now obnoxious means very cruel, evil, right? Who really harm, who always harms somebody, right? So we can say that he's an obnoxious person, or you know, that's the word obnoxious. Now just imagine if you read this word and read the definition of that word. So what's going to happen, right? You will read obnoxious. Obnoxious means cruel. Obnoxious means cruel. Obnoxious means cruel. And that's what you will repeat it, right? Though you will understand that obnoxious means cruel, but after a few days you're going to forget it because your brain is not getting any connection, all right? That how to just remember it for longer, that word. So first thing you must do is that add all your senses. Means just see the word obnoxious, understand it. After that, try to imagine that how would an obnoxious person will look like, right? Imagine that, right? Then see the picture of obnoxious person, okay? Experience it. Or maybe in your routine life you find out who is so obnoxious, right, that you have ever experienced of. Think about that person and add the word with it. So what you're doing is, by trying to do it, you are trying to add all your senses by doing this practice, right? So that's the first thing you got to do about the vocabulary, that add all your senses. Don't just depend on 1 or 2 senses, add maximum senses. Now you don't forget what is the meaning of apple. Just because you have touched apple, you have tasted apple, you have seen apple, you have seen the spelling of the apple, right? So you have add all your senses. So of course you're not going to forget it, right?
Definitely.
So experiencing vocabulary is very, very important, and you must experience it using all your senses, right? That's the first thing that you must do.
Wow. So sir, as you said, you know, अगर आपको कोई vocabulary, कोई word आपको अगर याद करना है तो उसके लिए आपको याद रखना है कि आपके सारे सेंसेस उससे रिलेटेड होने चाहिए, राइट? सिर्फ आपको पढ़ना और समझना नहीं है, उससे आपको रिलेट करना है, उस वर्ड से कनेक्ट होना है. और कैसे करोगे? अपनी 5 सेंसेस को यूज़ करके. 5 भी नहीं, अगर आप 3 और 4 सेंसेस भी यूज़ करते हो तो भी आप उस वर्ड से कनेक्ट हो सकते हो. जैसे कि सर ने एग्जाम्पल दिया था, आप अगर कोई भी वर्ड्स अगर याद रखना चाहते हो तो उसकी एक इमेज बना लीजिए अपने माइंड में और सोचिए, उसको फील कीजिए कि कैसा होता है वो, उसका वर्ड का पूरा पिक्चर बनाइए, राइट? वो सबसे इजी वे है लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिमेंबर के लिए, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिटेंशन के लिए. इस तरह आप अपनी वोकैबुलरी बिल्ड अप कर सकते हो.
Right. And that was the first method, okay? After that, second thing, what you must do is never ever, all right? I would like to give you that rule. In fact, I already explained in the previous talk, but here I would like to touch in detail. And that is, never ever learn individual word. Don't learn single word. Always learn the phrases in, you know, like the words, connected words, or always learn the vocabulary in context. That's very, very important. Now, learning vocabulary in the context gives you the actual idea that how to use that vocabulary. Now, most of the people can understand English but cannot speak.
True, yes.
The reason behind it is also learning individual vocabulary. That you have learned the word individually, and that's the reason that you can understand individually but you cannot speak. You don't know how to use it, because to use, you know that we don't speak just one word, we speak the group of words, we speak the chunk size of phrases, right? So always remember that vocabulary is all about, you know, connection. So make sure that if you are, you know, like as I gave you the example, like obnoxious, right? So with obnoxious, what words are related? Can you say obnoxious person, obnoxious people, right? So that is connected. Or maybe you can see the whole sentence as well. Make sure that you must, understand the vocabulary in the context, not just see the word and definition, but context is very, very important, because context gives you the idea how to actually use that vocabulary. Then you become enabled to use that word, right, whenever you want. So context, learning phrases is very important rather than learning vocabulary. So if you find any one individual word or single word, make sure that you find more connected word with that, okay, and try to connect it, like naturally how that word is used. Once you find it out, after that, okay, start, using that vocabulary. That is also very important. And again, the biggest mistake that people do is they just memorize the vocabulary. They don't use it.
Right.
They forget the purpose behind, like memorizing vocabulary. They forget the purpose behind acquiring vocabularies. So what is the purpose? Purpose is to use, right?
Yes.
You are learning this vocabulary so that you can use it. Now, what they do is they don't use it, and that's end result, they forget it. So make sure that you learn phrase, and after learning it, you start using that as much as possible. And you know what? Research shows that to acquire any vocabulary, to memorize any new word, and to be able to use it naturally, you have to repeat that word at least 30 times.
Wow, 30 times.
At least 30 times.
Okay.
Now, when you repeat that word 30 times in a different context, so what happens is, then your brain actually understands that word very deeply, and now it becomes easy for your brain to use that vocabulary naturally, right?
Wow.
So make sure that you don't just finish up, many people, they think that, okay, I understood this word, I don't need to repeat it now.
Yes.
But again, the deeper they understand that word, the more naturally they become, they become able to use it naturally whenever they want. So make sure that, guys, next time whenever you go through any vocabulary, don't go for quantity, go for quality, right? I mean, you don't need to memorize 100 or 500 words in a day. Forget it. Just 5 words in a day or 10 words in a day, but repeatedly use it as many times as possible. At least 30 times you must repeat that word to become, to master that word particularly, right? So that is very, very important.
वाओ सर, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग सर. जस्ट लाइक जैसा कि सर ने बताया, आपको कोई भी वोकैबुलरी अगर याद करनी हो तो उससे आपको कोई भी वर्ड अटैच करना होगा, कोई सेंसेस अटैच करने होंगे. जैसा कि सर ने एक वर्ड आपको बताया एग्जांपल में, obnoxious मीन्स क्रूअल. सो obnoxious से अपने क्या रिलेट कर सकते हैं? क्रूअल मीन्स राक्षस टाइप, obnoxious मीन्स राक्षस obnoxious. सो कभी भी आपके दिमाग में वो छवि आएगी, वो इमेज आएगी राक्षस की, तो आपको क्रूअल आएगा, obnoxious आएगा. तो इसी तरह से बहुत इजीली आप सारे वर्ड्स याद कर सकते हो, और ये बहुत सिंपल टेक्निक है जैसा कि सर ने बताया हमें, और बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. अगर आप सारे वर्ड्स में फीलिंग्स और सेंसेस और पिक्चर्स, इमेजेस डालते हो तो आप कभी अपने शब्द नहीं भूलोगे, बिकॉज language में vocabulary plays a vital role, right sir?
Absolutely, it's a really very vital. And moreover, if I talk about the vocabulary, guys, so again there is a whole system of acquiring vocabulary, as I already mentioned that we have designed a course called English to English program. Well, in that program we have specifically explained, in fact we practically make the people, right, acquire the vocabulary in a natural way, right, where they don't just learn vocabulary but they acquire English vocabulary with the natural process, right? So I highly recommend, guys, that you definitely check out our online programs, or you can also attend our live sessions where we take you in depth of this topic of vocabulary, because what, vocabulary is the most commonly asked topic and most commonly asked question, that how to build a vocabulary, how to master vocabulary. Everybody wants to know that, right? But nobody has a specific answer. But I assure you that once you follow the techniques which I share with you, and if you're really interested to know more in depth, so you can definitely check out our online programs, and you can definitely attend live here where we can share with you in more detail that how you can become the master of vocabularies. Okay, that's all.
वाओ अमेजिंग सर। जैसा कि सर ने बताया, हमारा ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां आप ये सारी टेक्निक्स और मेथड्स के साथ सीख सकते हो एक पूरी राइट मेथड से। और सर एक और बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, जैसा कि आपने बताया कोई भी वर्ड अगर आपको रिमेंबर रखना है, याद रखना है, तो मोस्टली क्या होता है हम शब्द नहीं बोलते जब कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, राइट
Right.
हम फ्रीजेस सेंटेंसेस बोलते हैं। तो कभी भी आप कोई भी वर्ड्स अगर सीख रहे हो तो उसको याद कर लीजिए। जैसा कि सर ने बताया कि 30 टाइम्स वो रिपीट होना चाहिए अलग अलग फॉर्म में, मतलब 30 टाइम्स आप उसको अलग अलग रीत से यूज़ कीजिए उस शब्द को, आप कभी नहीं भूलोगे उस शब्द को, राइट
Right, absolutely.
सो उसी तरह से आप हमारे ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर जा करके वो सारी मेथड्स देख सकते हो। और ये था वोकैबुलरी के बारे में। अगर आप अपनी वोकैबुलरी इन्फ्लुएंस करना चाहते हो, इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो, ग्रो करना चाहते हो, तो उसका सिंपल वे है आप उसे कनेक्ट कीजिए अपने 5 सेंसों के साथ और उसे फ्रेजेस में सीखिए, नॉट इंडिविजुअल वर्ड्स। सो गाइज ये बहुत कमेंट्स आई थी हमें कि सर वोकैबुलरीज का क्या, वोकैबुलरीज हमारे माइंड में नहीं रहती, हम जब बोलना चाहते हैं वहाँ हम इंटरप्ट हो जाते हैं, वहाँ हम स्टक हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो प्रॉपर वर्ड्स नहीं आते। और क्यों नहीं आते? क्योंकि आप उसे यूज़ नहीं करते। आप सीख तो लेते हो लेकिन आप बोलते नहीं, आप यूज़ नहीं करते। So start doing using, right sir?
Yes,
So
exactly.
that's how we are running this talk show. So guys, please comment. Next video would be on your comment, so don't forget to comment on this video or our upcoming video. So we will make a video on that, and the comment box is yours. Just feel good and naturally, and just share your things, share your problems, that sir we are facing this problem, what should we do? Just write down, okay? just आपको comments में लिखना है, alright? it's valuable comment दीजिए और next video हम आपके comment पे बनाएंगे। So guys, this is Jeet Patil and this is Deepak Patil. We both signing off.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.